Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I've been out to Walgreens, and yesterday when I went out, I bought some of the laundry detergent, but that's not it. This laundry detergent, I put it in the closet here. I have some pods, game pods, and these are all the new ones that I bought. And I have to find space in the closet. I think I'm just gonna leave them in the bags and put them in. That way, when my family comes to get, it'll already be packed up in the bag. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'd start to take them out, but I'm not going to. So here's more. Just gonna put them in the closet. Make room in here. Oh, it's got other stuff back there. I don't have this going with in the back. I still have Purex. Gotta get rid of that. Okay. All right, so let's see if I can make a room here. I went out to Walgreens today and bought some more. I bought 6 more. But I'm just gonna take all of these and put them right here in the closet, already packed up. That way, it'll be in the bag already, and you can come and get it. Everybody's been so busy, they haven't been coming by like they should have to get some of this stuff and move it out, because between my husband and I, we're not gonna use up all of this. Oh. Yes, I'm gonna put these 2 right up here where I got this Ajax. I don't know about this Ajax. I said I wanted to try it. That's the only reason I bought it. All right, so this is my closet full of detergent. I even got tied up in here. I got that for my niece. This, so I got that out of the way. But look what I got here. I got more. Look at all this game, Persil. Tide, believe it or not, it's moving. Tide, more Tide here. People aren't buying the pods as much, but I'm gonna take those pods, and that's what I'm gonna take out. Here, I bought these the other day, Downy Calm. They're a conditioner, fabric conditioner. I have some, and here I have some Downy. Here, oh, my husband bought those 2 big old bottles of detergent. This is, I forgot that name brand. Oh, Extra. He got them pretty cheap too. I didn't say anything to him to the contrary. You know, that he bought it. Okay, I try to keep bags down here too for those that want to buy detergent. All right, if you know anybody, I'm gonna start making up bundles, and bundles with just detergent and fabric softeners or something like that in it. But you shall see. I'm down here in this basement. It's cold down here. All right, so today I went in and I got the Arm Hammer. You see there's $6.99. You buy 1, you get 2 free. I think that's awesome. And then it came to $13.98, $121 with tax. $15.19 altogether. I redeemed $10 in rewards. Paid $5.19 out of pocket for 6. Pretty good, huh? I know. Thank you for joining me. I'm giving you a sneak peek of my stockpile of detergent. Remember, have fun shopping. Bye-bye.